Hello, David here, Pummy Cool Outdoors. We're in the snowstorm here. Gonna go out to manage it. So here's the end of our driveway. You can see the Bach is sitting up on the snow, but there's about a 4-foot wall of snow out there. I got to go rescue my recycling containers before the plow comes on the other side of the road. It's going to pass again. Here I just walked down my stairs and with the help of my snow shovel, and cars are snowed in. Gonna get those unblocked, and I'm gonna put on my go here and see if I can rescue my our we don't have a snow blower. We have these snow sled scoops, and they're both over here, and they're both buried. I think we should put them up on the porch, I guess. So, can you see them? Got one sticking out. Got part of them sticking out. All right, so yeah, I'm down to knee-deep snow here. This drift. Okay, I got one. Woof. All right, yeah, check it out. Check out. Up to my thigh in snow here in this drift next to our house. I'm gonna get these 2 snow shovels out. So my son's gonna come out in a little bit to help. So I'm gonna just start by, yeah, I think I'm gonna just, you say, yeah, I think I'm gonna just wait. If they come by and do this on the road, if they knock our things down, it's okay.